Okay. To solve, don't forget, you factor the bottom. Then we have to find the undefined, which in this case, the undefined would be plus or minus 3. So what you put in for x, it would cause the denominator to be 0. So then we're going to multiply everything by the LCD, which would be x plus 3. And my mark, is that not working? There we go. X minus 3, which would be 3x minus 9 plus 4x plus 12 is 8x. So we have 7x plus 3 equals 8x. So subtract 7x, x equals 3. Oh no! We can't use 3. So therefore we cross it out and say no reals. This one you just cross multiply. So called a proportion. There's no variables in the bottom, so you don't have to worry about the undefined. This one would be, the undefined would be 0 or negative 3. So we'd multiply everything by x plus 3. So 4 times x plus 3 be 4x plus 12. 3 times x is 3x, because the x plus 3 would cancel out. Everything cancels out, you just have 7. So you have 7x equals negative 5 when you subtract 12. So x equals negative 5 over 7. Aha! Logs. So logs, we're going to rewrite this as an exponential. So it'd be 4 to the x equals 1 over 16. So we would have 4 to the x equals 4 to the negative 2. Because negative means take the reciprocal. 4 squared is 16. So x is negative 2. This one, 81 to the x equals 9. So it'd be 9 to the 2x equals 9 to the 1. So 2x equals 1, so x equals a half. This one, x cubed equals 8. So x has to equal 2. This is the one most people get wrong. That's a 9. Sorry. 9 to the x equals square root of 3. This is 3 to the 2x. This is 3 to the half. So 2x equals a half. So x equals a fourth. So 6 to the x equals 1/6. So flip it. This would be 6 to the x equals 6 to negative 1. So x equals negative 1. Now I'm going to go to the bottom here quick. Midpoint, you add the x's, 10 plus 3, divide by 2. Add the y's, divide by 2. So I'd have 13 halves, and it's okay in my class to leave it a fraction like that. And this is 14 divided by 2 is 7. Distance formula is the square root of the difference of the x's squared. 4 minus 2 is 2 squared, plus 9 minus 6 is 3 squared. 4 plus 9 just would be the square root of 13. Oops. Now, I'm not going to do all of these because this is pretty recent stuff. But graph in degrees, remember to find a period, it's 360 divided by b. So in this case, it would be 180. Remember, whatever you make your 180 is 3 times that. So if that's 1, 2, 3 is your 180. So split it in half is 90. Split that in half is 45. Add 45 to get 135. And then we're multiplied by 3. Sign starts at 0. So it's 0, 3, 0, negative 3, 0. Yowzer. Negative means flip it. Dividing by half, so it'd be 720. So it stretches out this way. And then flips, so cosine starts at 1. If we have a negative out front, it would start at negative 1. So that was 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would really be down here. So 720, 360, 180, and then 540. So cosine would start here, and it goes here, 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 because of that negative. Same thing here with sine. The negative flips it. Here, you need to stretch it to, and then move everything up to. Now, this is radians, so well, we'll do this one, I guess. So this would be 2 pi divided by 4. That'd be pi over t. So pi over 2 times a fourth, that's pi over 8. So it'd be pi over 8, pi over 4, 3 pi over 8. Then you're going to move everything up 2. So cosine starts at 1, so it goes up to 2. This is 0, so it goes up to 2. Here, and then here, and then here. So 1, yeah, I messed up. So 1 goes to 2, 0 goes to 1, 2, 3, 0 goes to 2. There's my mistake. Here, and then here, and then here. Should hit it right here. So sorry about that. Messed up a little bit. Moving everything up to. So